talk about how can you change your email on your Spotify app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings and privacy here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account here. So then you will find here email, click in this sign. So when you just click here on email, so then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open with you here. So then you will find your address email, and here can you change your email in this list here. So then when you just change your email here, you're scrolling down and you will find on register profile here, click on it, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.